Welcome to the latest week's tech releases. First we have the Cryptide sneaker, fully SLS 3D printed shoe designed by Stefan Henrik. The shoe is a first of its kind. A fully 3D printed shoe. It can be fully adjusted to suit the wearer's exact measurements. It's fully customizable, so the design can easily be altered to match the needs of the user. A higher heel, more sporty looking perhaps. In second spot is the Padroni ring. A beautiful wearable ring that magically turns your desk into a giant touchpad. Padrone's finger ring replaces the computer mouse. It works just like the touchpad on your laptop, but you can use it on any table, on your lap or any surface. It connects via Bluetooth to your computer, so no software installation required. Just slide it on and connect. Well, last but not least we have the Unitree Pump, all-in-one smart pocket gym. Have you ever wished you had the space for your own personal gym? Well, look no further than what we have installed for you. The Unitree Pump is the first portable fitness machine with a built-in motor that cleverly controls resistance from start to finish, for a consistent pump that works your muscles evenly on every lift and pull. Designed by award-winning robotics engineers and fitness experts, Pump anchors to any doorway, chair, and even your ankle to unlock thousands of workouts. With zero elastics. Every workout is different, and every muscle has different needs. Find the perfect resistance for any exercise and adjust it with a few taps on the app. Pump lets you pinpoint the perfect resistance from 4.4 to 44 pounds, or more if you combine pumps. The amazing thing about Pump is that it lets you choose between eccentric and concentric resistance. That means you get the option to feel more burn on the way up, on the way down, or both equally. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to hear more tech news, then please subscribe.